Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect JB4 Bluetooth. First, power the car and JB4 unit, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the JB4 app to start pairing. Tap the JB4 device name, confirm any PIN if requested, and wait for a connected status. If pairing fails, restart the app and toggle Bluetooth, then try again while close to the unit for a stable signal. If you run into trouble, stay calm and methodical while troubleshooting connection issues. Restart both the JB4 unit and your phone, then relaunch the JB4 app and try pairing again. If the device still won't show, uninstall and reinstall the app and confirm no other nearby devices are connected. These steps usually clear common pairing problems and get you back to tuning quickly without guessing or lengthy delays. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: grab the Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable reading while waiting on installs or bench tuning. It's compact and easy to hold in a garage. I use it for manuals and notes between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After successful pairing, maintain a stable connection by keeping firmware and the app up to date. Avoid battery saver or restrictive permissions that can interrupt Bluetooth while driving. If you change phones or update your phone OS, repair the JB4 unit to refresh credentials and prevent disconnects. Regular checks before a drive save time and keep your tuning features accessible without surprises on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.